But today we're going to download some raw data so you can push it to your ERP system. So let's I want to know all my costs from September till today. Okay, I'll show you my header info, and I'm not going to customize this report. I want all work orders, all PMs, and all meter work orders, all statuses in all categories. And I'm going to preview this report in DevExpress engine in my browser. Now, within 15 seconds, Maxpanda is crunching me nearly 2 months of data. We're done. And I just generated a 3-page report. I can print, save, download in various formats. Some reports we provide eight formats. Now, what you could do right now is click download here. This download will download a filterable Excel sheet with all of these filters, or you can just save this report as is. You can hide your header info, like the top part, and just download raw data into a CSV and just upload that into your ERP system. That is the old school way, right? Like the manual way. Better way is to set up the API, and the API will consume this data every week or every month, and you can push it automatically into the ERP without that manual process. So let's look at your work order today. Compressor has blown its lid. So this is all about the time. Okay, it'll show you the status, when it was created, approved, start date. Remember the planned due date? Steve wanted it due tomorrow, right? But then you changed it to 7 days. But in fact, we completed it today. In the middle of the report is all the relevant information, notes, who closed it, etc. And at the far end, you will have your total hours from your maintenance team, your labor cost, the parts cost, all the parts that we use, those 6 or 8 parts, the invoice from your vendor, and today the blower cost the company $16.48 in repairs. That's one work order. You've got 3 pages in there, and every column is customizable, just like the views in Maxpanda. Now, you really like this data. It's valuable for accounting. Schedule it. Okay. We don't want Chris coming in here every day or every week and forgetting or manually generating these work order or these reports.
Oh, that's awesome.
You can schedule it for every Monday, or the first Monday of every month. Okay. So weekly or monthly, pick your format. I like Excel, and I'll also carbon copy the CFO so they don't have to come in and generate reports. So again, we've got your reports scheduled here. That's why I don't know if you're going to